So you probably heard about it before. If you use AI like Google, you're already behind, but there's more to it. So hear me out. I will show you a couple of tips that you can use right now that will completely transform how you think about AI and how you integrate it into your business as well. And that can take your business to a whole nother level. So let me go ahead. So the goal with AI is not just, like I said, to use it like Google, copy paste, and like use it like a search engine, but to turn your thinking and your most valuable assets into processes or then potentially AI agents as well. So how we will do that, number one, we will go ahead and you will write down 5 things in your business that make your business unique. So for an engineer, for example, it is their way of thinking, like how they solve problems and so on. So that's kind of how you can approach it. So you'll just write down 5 things. And then you will take a look if you already have processes, anything like that. That's helpful. Otherwise, you will simply create a process around it. So like an SOP, anything like that. In my case, I didn't want to create a full SOP. So I just went ahead and I just created a little video and I just copy and pasted that and turned that into then an SOP. So that's step number one. So the second step is we will go ahead and you will go to ChatGPT and you will say, okay, turn this SOP into a framework that breaks down how we operate and create a repeatable process. Then you will turn on the thinking mode of ChatGPT. This will take a little bit longer, but it will give you a little bit of a better answer. And then this is our result. So I went ahead the next step and we will go ahead and you can do that in the same chat or in a new one, and you will say, okay, turn this into a JSON or markup. This is just for the AI to understand a little better about like what you're trying to achieve. Instead of just having a lot of different text, it's a little bit more structured so that the AI understands it. So you will paste it in here, and then what you should get is something that looks about like this. Perfect. So what it comes out to is something that looks like this. So I know it looks a little bit complicated, but don't worry, now we will go to the fun part. So you go ahead and you will copy this code and you will click on GPTs and then create a GPT. Hit configure and then simply paste the code in here. You can give it a name. So in this one, it is PowerPoint. You can also obviously like give it more fun names, like any kind of name and so on. I always like to choose a picture. Perfect. So now you basically have your most valuable asset that the way you think turned into a process. And then we have now a custom GPT, which you can share within your team. You can share it with your clients, like give them some free resources, anything like that. You can upload knowledge here. You can also upload a lot of your company information. And then, like I said, if anyone has a question, you can do that for your company where you just basically take the same steps and you can create one for your company. You upload all of your information and you can share it with other people within your team. So then they are 10 times more productive and more efficient in whatever they do. The fun part is that you can basically do that with anything that's out. You can basically take any YouTube video where, for example, you take a look, okay, like this is how you create a great website. You simply copy it and you turn that transcript into a framework, and then you put it into the instructions as well as upload more knowledge, maybe combining it with your company. And that is the best way on how you can really like take all the free resources that are out there and turn it into resources and adjust it for your company, and then give it to your team for them to be more efficient with AI. So yeah, I hope this was helpful. And if you want to learn more about how you can integrate AI into your operations or build brands that actually last, stay tuned and I will share more tutorials.